Yeah, thank you. My name is Engineer Obiora Manafa. I'm the Director, Inspectorate and Compliance Directorate of SON.
All right, Sam. What is it about these products we have behind you?
Yeah, as you can see, we're here to destroy some substandard products intercepted, coming in through the borders, some through the ports, and we intercepted them and tested them and found them to be substandard. Some of them are also expired products. And we know that these kind of products cannot be allowed to get into the markets because they are harmful to human lives. They can destroy properties. You can see some of the products here. Some are electric cables, which we cannot allow to be used in our houses. They will burn houses. Some are unfortified sugar, which we should not even allow for people to be, to use. Sugar without vitamin A, without iodine, and they use it to feed children. It's very, very bad. It's not good for health of anybody. And some of them are also expired. Some products like cylinders, gas cylinders, they are life-endangering products. And we cannot allow them. They are substandard. They fail test. All the parameters, key parameters, they all failed it. So we brought them here to destroy them and make sure that nobody uses them, that nobody takes these products to the markets because they are harmful to Nigerians.
What's the volume of
There are many. We have been destroying over time, and for this year we have a total value of 22.7 billion naira worth of products. Some of them have been destroyed. Some of them are still awaiting destruction. We have so many in the warehouse now awaiting destruction. So many cylinders, thousands of cylinders, thousands of electric cables, tires, stock tires, So some of them are there. Aluminum coils, many of them are there. And it's not everything that will destroy by burning, especially the metallic items. The cylinders we cannot destroy by burning. So thousands of them that are in the warehouse now, we cannot bring them here. But we just brought some samples to show you how we destroy cylinders. Okay. We cut them open, to make sure that nobody uses them anymore. Then we send them to, state plants where they can recycle them and use them for another purpose.
So what is your message for the importers that keep indulging in this?
Yes. Our message to these importers is that first of all, we are not happy destroying. SON is not happy destroying anybody's product because it's a drain to the national economy. It's a drain to the person's pocket. The importer, you can imagine somebody spending thousands of dollars, to import these things. You will pay this money to the foreigners. When the products come, we seize them and destroy. It's not good for anybody. So we are not happy. We are appealing to them to do the right thing. We are appealing to these importers to comply with the standards. They know the standards, but they want to cut corners, and we cannot allow that. The standards are there in the office, in SON, all the branches of SON in all the states or capitals. The standards are there. Go there, pick the standard you want, the standard for a product you want to import, give it to your manufacturer, and they will comply. But at times they go with the standards and tell the manufacturer to produce according to their own specifications, not according to the NI specifications. So we are appealing to them to please stop wasting your money. Stop wasting your money. When you spend your money, import these things, they come here and we destroy them. It's not good for anybody. We are not happy. The DG, Ostaboloma, is not happy destroying these products. We in SON, we are not happy destroying these products. Okay? But we cannot afford to compromise because the lives of Nigerians is paramount. Our primary responsibility is to protect Nigerians. And we cannot say because we don't want you to lose your money and we subject Nigerians to danger. So we don't want to do that. That's why we are destroying all these items. You can see we have many items here for destruction. And more are coming. Once we finish the processes in the office, investigation going through on some other products, we come back here and destroy. It's a continuous process. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Take the head now.
You know how the cylinder. This is the full cylinder, okay? But you cannot put this cylinder into a furnace like this. It becomes a bulb. If you put this cylinder into a furnace like this, it will become a bomb automatically because once you heat it up, it's an enclosed item. It will explode. So we usually cut it open, and by cutting it open, we make it impossible for anybody to use it. Nobody can start using it anymore. So this form, we take them to the state plant where they will put them in the furnace, melt them, and recycle them into another product. That's the way we destroy cylinders. But these other ones, like you can see this, Yes, these are also fairly used. Both, fairly used cylinders are contraband. That's second-hand cylinders. These are cylinders that have been used abroad. The lifespan of a cylinder is 15 years, according to NI 69. The lifespan of a cylinder is 15 years, which means if you buy a new cylinder and use it for 15 years, the cylinder is expired. You don't continue using it. But these people, they will go outside Nigeria, and start collecting all the cylinders that have been scrapped abroad. So we don't allow second-hand cylinders. We don't allow, they are contraband. You can't even test it. Why are you testing something that has expired? But the new cylinders, when they come, we test it. If they fail test, we seize them and destroy them. Because it's not something you can correct. There are items we can correct when they fail test, depending on the parameter it fails. If it's something you can correct, maybe you claim a wrong capacity for an item, like electric bulb. You claim it's 100 watts. Meanwhile, after testing it, we discover it's only 30 watts. But the bulb is okay. The only problem is that you use a false declaration of the capacity. Then we force you to write 30 watts on the bulb. Okay. In that case, we will not destroy it. Because we know that the essence of that correction is for anybody buying it should know what he's buying. You are buying 30 watts. You're not buying 100 watts. But when the bulb fails test, that is not good for use, either it's dangerous for use, or if you put it, it will not last for 1 hour in your house, then we seize it and destroy it. So these are the things. Like this cylinder is a bomb. Cylinder is a time bomb. If you are using a substandard cylinder in your house, you are putting a bomb in your house because it can explode. There are cases of gas explosion everywhere, cases of gas fire everywhere because of bad cylinders. So we cannot allow people to be using bad cylinders. These ones, electric cables. They are, electric cables, very dangerous also. Electric cable, there's a parameter we call conductor resistance. This conductor resistance is a parameter that allows, shows how the capacity of the cylinder of the electric cable, to conduct current, along the wire. So when that resistance is too high, it means the electric cable does not have that capability, don't have that capacity to carry current. If you use it in your house, the resultant effect is fire. At times you hear that there's a fire, fire in a building because of electric fire. It's from bad electric cables. So we don't allow that. These are these cables, they fail test. That's why we brought them here for destruction, And some of the expired materials, see the packaging materials of cigarettes and so on and so forth. We make sure we destroy all of them.
Yeah. What efforts is SON making to ensure that we stop the importation of this substandard product?
Yes, we are making a lot of efforts. First, we are trying to sensitize Nigerians. Sensitization. We are trying to be proactive, appealing to them. Please don't import these things. If we are not happy destroying, we are not happy destroying. We want them to stop. That's why we embark on, sensitization, awareness creation. In the past 2 months, we've done about 3 sensitization programs with relevant stakeholders. We call them together associations, market associations. We've gone to Alaba International, we've gone to Aspanda, we've gone to Balogu. Call the associations, speak with them, tell them, please, do the right thing. These are the standards. If you have a challenge, come to SON. If you need any inquiries or clarification, come to SON and get clear clarification of anything you want to do. This is an ease of doing business policy. We are here to help, to support all businessmen, importers. Do the right thing. We help you to do your business and make profit from your business. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
He won't make the thing start with a catch fire. Then you come and pour that thing, so the thing will be burn. I know what you want.
Autant, nǹkan tó ń gùn kọ́ ló ń mú.
Oyin sì pẹ̀lú pẹtrol dákínì.
Ṣèbọ̀ ló mọ̀ ṣe.
Ẹni náà gàgán mú adé nísìnyí.
Òun ló mọ̀ kọ́ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe. Láti gbé kẹ́yìn lọ.
Kó máa dèpọ̀ ẹni àwọn bí o.
Èyí mọ̀ kọ́ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe, kọ́ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe nìyẹn.
Wèrè máa dèpọ̀ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ wá bí o.